Hello everyone, please read disclaimer. I'm not a financial advisor, this video for educational and informational purposes only. Welcome to Simple Trading Style channel, and today we're going to talk about daily stock market updates. And is it market recovery? Is it V-shape recovery? Is it short squeezes? What's going on with the stock market? If you like this channel, please click like button, subscribe for all my channels, YouTube, Telegram, and Discord. Also, this simple trading style works for stocks, ETF, options, and crypto. Please check in the description. There are links to all my trainings. Thank you so much. Let's move to Webull. Welcome to Webull. I like Webull, and maybe you have different application. You can please follow my video regarding Webull setup and try to use the same settings, and you will get the same picture. Okay, let me repeat my settings. And the white line, it's MA 200, purple line MA 100, blue line MA 50, yellow line MA 20, red line MA 10, green line MA 5. Okay, and MACD. MACD, we have green line, it's MACD line, and red line, it's a signal line. Let's start to go from daily. Daily for US dollar. Daily US dollar, red bar, still bearish divergences, all indicators in the bearish trend. RSI, awesome oscillator, all in the bearish trend. And today the bar just closed below MA 50. Bearish trend, because before, do you remember, it was above MA 50, and last time it did bounce from MA 100, right? That's possible that it will be this time at the zero line and MA 100. Possible it will move to MA 100 and bounce from it, or maybe bounce from MA 50. Let's see. So far, it's a bearish signal, but remember, the all moving average is still uptrend. Uptrend, even MA 20 is still uptrend. It's trying to change direction, it's flat, but MA 150, 100, and 200 still uptrend big time. Okay? Daily bullish dollar, bearish dollar, bullish market, bullish for indexes. $4 4 hours for dollar, huge move down, bearish trend, bearish crossover, and bearish zone. RSI, it's getting to oversold zone, but still all indicators in the bearish zone, and we close below MA 200. It closed below MA 200, but remember, the last bar is very far from MA 20. That's what we have to pay attention, because the bars always wants to come back. Always wants to come back to MA 20. Remember, like here, far back to MA 20. Similar, let's say, similar on daily, right? On daily, it's not far, but yeah, it's not far from MA 20. Let's move to 1 hour. 1 hour for DXY. Very far from MA 20. Bars far from MA 20. Bearish trend on all indicators. RSI, it's in the oversold zone. On MACD, we have bullish divergence on histogram, no on lines, on MACD lines, no no bullish divergence on RSI, no bullish divergence on the awesome oscillator. Green bar on awesome oscillator, still bearish. Bearish trend on 1 hour. Even MA200 already changed direction to bearish. Bearish direction, okay? Bearish direction for dollar, it's bullish for indexes. Let's move to Apple. Apple daily. Apple daily bullish. MACD is still bullish trend. Bullish signal. RSI also, so they're all in a bullish trend. Average volume. The bars about the MA20, 5 and 10. Kind of far. The last bar far from MA20. And looks like maybe it will touch MA15, bounce from it, or maybe it will go to MA200 and bounce from MA200. We'll see. We'll see. As now it's at the MA100 zone. It's a strong support, or strong resistance also. It can be resistance, can be support. We'll see. On daily, still bullish. Apple still bullish. 4 hours. 4 hours, Apple bullish on all indicators. Now it's in the zone around 200 MA200. It did close above MA200, and now it's at MA200 as a support. It is support now. We have huge gap above us, above the current state. We will see if it can move and close this gap. Maybe this week, maybe next week. Let's see. 4 hours bullish trend. Bullish trend very far from MA20. Remember, it's always wants to come back to MA20. 1 hour. Sorry, let me move back to 4 hours. MA20 is still below MA200. 1 hour, it's a different picture. Still bullish on RSI in 1 hour. Awesome oscillator changed to red. Still bullish signal. All bars above all moving averages. It's a bullish, still bullish. MA20 did bullish crossover. It's a bullish trend. MA50 wants to do bullish crossover. Bullish trend for Apple. Bullish trend on 1 hour. Let's move to Qs. Yeah, remember it's it's October 25th. I think October 27, maybe I could be wrong, maybe 25th. I think 27, the company will have dressing window, they call it. It's when company can do buyback stocks. And starting, I believe, October 27 or 26 or 25, maybe company they already prepare for it, and they will start to do buyback, and it will help a lot for stock market. Because companies still have the large company, they still have a lot of cash, and the stock is cheap for them today, right? That's what they want to buy it, push it up, make a gain. It's a good for them, good ability to push stock up. Okay, let's talk about Qs. Looks like after hours it's minus 1% already. Some negative earnings from Microsoft, or I don't know. Let's do daily for Qs. Still bullish on all indicators, right? All indicators still bullish, and the bar closed above MA20, MA5, MA10. Bullish trend, bullish signal. And also remember, it's a lot of a lot of shorts on the market and a lot of put options on the market. If market is going to push up, it will be a lot of shorts covering, and now I think it is shorts covering. People already cover shorts, and that's why they are pushing the market up, and it will continue because of the margin calls, and it will continue. Let's see 4 hours, bullish trend on 4 hours. It left gap up today, small gap up. Yeah, very small gap up, but it's bullish trend on 4 hours, far from a May 20. On 1 hour, bullish trend, also slightly change color to red. Still bullish trend for all. The last bar above all moving averages. Bullish trend. We did bullish crossover for May 20, did bullish crossover. 5 and 10 also bullish trend. Bullish trend. Huge gap but below the current state, right? Okay, yeah, Q's still on all time frames, bullish signal. VXN volatility for Nasdaq. Let's see on daily. On daily, it's a bearish signal on all indicators. On 4 hours, bearish signal on all indicators. It's a bearish VXN, bullish for Nasdaq. On 1 hour, bearish signal on all indicators. Let's move to SPY. SPY on daily, let's see. SPY on daily. Bullish signal on all indicators. Last bar touched MA 50. MA 50 can be resistant. Strong resistant. Far from MA 20. Far from MA 20. Looks like the market wants to go back to MA 200. Close gap. And bounce from it. We'll see. Maybe it will bounce from MA 50 or MA 100. Remember, we don't guess, we don't predict. We are following the market. We are following the market. We are following the market. We are not trying to fight with the market. 4 hours. 4 hours for SPY. Also bullish. Bullish. All indicators bullish. Far from MA 20. Remember, it always wants to come back to MA 20. And 1 hour. 1 hour bullish, all indicators bullish, bar above all moving averages. Bullish trend, all moving averages did, all except 100 did bullish crossover. Bullish trend on all indicators. On 1 hour, 4 hours and daily, all indicators bullish trend. Bullish trend. VIX volatility index for SPY. Bearish on all indicators on daily. Let's see in 4 hours. Bearish on all indicators on daily. Far from MA 20. Below even MA 50. Bearish signal on VIX on 4 hours and daily and 1 hour. Bearish indicators on all time frames. It's a bullish for SPY. Bearish for VIX, bullish for SPY, far from MA20. Remember, like here, every time far from MA20 wants to come back. Every time far wants to come back. Every time. Similar now. It's far, it will come back, or it will go to side and wait for MA20 to come. MA20 will come to the bars. Okay, all time frames bearish, bullish for SPY. Dow. Let's do Dow. Dow daily. Dow daily, bullish, have gap below current state, bullish all indicators, very far from MA20, very far from MA20. The last bar closed above MA150, above all moving averages except 200, and it was trying to close gap. Yeah, it touched gap. We'll see if it bounced from that gap, resistance from that gap, or it will close that gap and we will get resistance after that from MA200 and close the gap. Let's see how it will work. Daily bullish for Dow. 4 hours, all bullish signal, The last bar very far from MA20, but the positive signal is it closed above MA200, above all moving averages. It is positive and it wants to close the gap. Yeah, it left some gap below us, below the current state, few small gaps. Bullish trend. On 4 hours. 1 hour. Bullish trend looks like it's over. MACD wants to do bearish crossover. Not done yet, but it's ready for it. Last bar closed above all moving averages. It's a bullish. Kind of far from MA20. Far from MA200. And also oscillator turn a red bar. Okay, it's a bullish trend. It wants to do some correction. Be ready for some correction on 1 hour. VXD, volatility index for Dow on daily. Bearish signal. It's a bullish for Dow. On 4 hours, bearish signal. It's a bullish for Dow. 1 hour, bearish signal on all indicators. It's a bullish for Dow. Okay, let's move to IWM, Russell 2000. Russell 2000 daily. Bullish trend on all indicators daily. Good volume. Huge bar. It touched MA50 and MA100. It can be resistant, can be strong resistance from MA100 and MA50. Still bullish on daily, bullish trend on daily. Gap above the current state. MACD is still downtrend, MA200 is still downtrend. Let's move to 4 hours. 4 hours for Russell 2000. 4 hours for Russell 2000, it touched MA200, it bounced, maybe, and MA100, it can, maybe it will bounce from it. It's a strong support, it's very strong resistance. In this case, it's resistant. When we below the when bar below MA line, it is resistant. When it's above, it is support. Bullish signal on all indicators. Bullish signal. Far from MA20. It always wants to go to MA20. On 1 hour, bullish signal, but it looks like it wants to, let's say, it's a bullish flag. bull flag, right? Bull flag. MACD, bullish signal on all indicators except awesome oscillator. Bullish trend, very far from MA20 in 1 hour. Yeah, no bearish divergences yet. Still bullish trend. Still bullish trend. On all time frames for Russell 2000. RVX, volatility index for Russell 2000 daily, bearish. The last bar closed below 200. It's a bearish trend, but it was like this one, yeah, in June. It bounced from it. Bounce. No, in June. Okay, yeah, let's see. On daily, Russell 2000, yeah, VIX for volatility index for Russell 2000. It's below 200 and far from 820. It's a bearish trend on all indicators. 4 hours, bearish trend on all indicators. Bearish signal on all indicators. MA20, MA10 and 5 did bearish crossover. Bearish trend. It's a bullish for Russell 2000. On 1 hour, bearish trend. Also oscillator changed to green color, but yeah, sometimes it changed, but just preparation, but still bearish signal on all indicators. Bearish signal on all indicators. Bullish for Russell 2000. Okay, conclusion. All indexes in a bullish trend on all time frames. It could be short squeeze because, like I said, we had maximum record of shorts, maximum records of puts, and now it's a window dressing for company to have ability to buy stock backs, to buy back own stocks. We'll see how it will push. Will it do V-shape recovery or at last V-shape recovery? It was like it's building bottom, right? It's been building bottom. Let's say like let's see the Qs, right? Let's see Qs for daily. It's a multiple bottoms, and it was kind of trying to confirm the bottom. Let's see it. Yeah, like right now, it can pull back and move forward, move up. That would be confirmation for bottom. So far, it's kind of it built bottom, but no confirmation yet. Still, but as of now, bullish signal, bullish trend for all. But yeah, keep stops close, because market can change anytime. Like now, like earnings season, it's very dangerous time. Like after this, after let's see, Qs after hours, it dropped to 200. It dropped to 200. To MA20, right? MA20 now support. Let's see how it will handle overnight. MACD did bearish crossover, bearish signal after hours. After hours, bearish signal. But it can change overnight. Or can be worse. Let's see. Let me remove the extended hours and see. Okay, thank you so much. If you want to learn about this trading style, simple trading style, just